and celebrate the appointment of our new school cabinet. This event is not just a tradition, it symbolizes the trust and confidence we place in our young leaders. Welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Ashraf Ali KM. He is working as a district fire officer, Department of Kerala Fire and Rescue Services.
Clubs are the instruments through which one can find their hidden talents. Joining clubs and volunteering is a great way to make new friends, build teamwork, gain self-control and gain self-confidence, relieve stress, learn real-world skills and develop time management skills. I remind you to keep one thing in your mind, that is, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, and working together is a success.
So, you are representing your school now. So, whatever you are doing, it will be in the name of your school. So, you try to flourish the name of your school, try to flourish the name of your place. So, if you people are willing to study and willing to further forward, you will become an asset to the school.
Now I invite Arts and Sports Club Secretaries Aisa Shahi, Devna Raj, Adina Devi, Megha Prakash. Please come forward. Now I invite Dance and Decor Club Secretaries Jisa Mariam, Aisha Riga, Arsal Deep and Niranjan Dinayak. Please come forward. Now I invite the Secretaries of Health, Language and Charity Club, Kolaminak, Muhammad Rashwan, Fatima Naga, Saya Fatima, Al-Tahari and Amaya Rachel. Please come forward. Now I invite captains of various houses, Muhammad Ali Sikri and Nandana Suraj of Ganga House, Shahil Hussain and Fatima Nina of Yamuna House, Jihan Abdul Aziz and Rima Shahid of Kaveri House, Divya Lee and Shiva Nayurkar of Godavari House. Let me invite our chief guest, Ashraf Ali sir, to read out the promise while the cabinet members repeat after the success.
Of this institution, solemnly promise, in the name of God, and my honor, to do my best, to exercise my duty, to God, to my country, to my school, and to my fellow students. So help me God.
Thank you, sir. I request Ashraf Ali sir to do the honor. Repeat the badges. That's from our Madhavi Sister Sister Junior. Now I request Ashraf Ali sir to hand over the school flag. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sister. I invite the visitors, Mr. Abhiraj, Mrs. Sandhya Singh of Art Club, Mrs. Fatima Rushida and Shaija Dike of Sports Club to come up to the dais, congratulate the leaders and speak about this. Now I invite Mass and Ego Club secretaries to come forward to the dais. I invite Mrs. Bindu Isaac, Mrs. Shamli of Mass Club and Mrs. Rani Santosh and Ms. Harsha of Bindu Club to come up to the dais, congratulate the leaders and pick the badges. Now I invite Health, Languages and Charity Club secretaries to come forward. I invite Mrs. Jelda, Mrs. Mary of Sex Club, Mrs. Jilsi and Mrs. Daisy Abraham of Sex. Now, honoring house captains, I invite the house captains of Ganga House in blue color to come forward and receive the flag from Chief Election Commissioner Mr. Vijay Matthew. I request sir to do the honor. Give now to the applause. White, the house captains of Kaveri House in green color to come forward and our managers. I request sister to do the honor. I invite the house captains of Yamuna House in red color to come forward and receive the flag from Chief Election Commissioner Mr. Vijay Matthew. Now I invite the house captains of Godavari House in yellow color to come forward and receive the flag from Sister Jane Francis. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sister. Now I invite various house advisors to come forward, congratulate the leaders and pick the badges. The house advisors are Mrs. Soni Anjil, Mrs. Merlin of Ganga House, Mrs. Vishnupriya and Mrs. Shamili Job, Mrs. Jalja and Mrs. Daisy Abraham, Mrs. Mary Varghese and Mrs. Dilsidas are congratulating the house captain. And the commitment of our leaders to uphold the values and principles of our soul. I request our honorable speakers to receive the salute from our cabinet members. Once again, a big round of applause for our new cabinet 2024-25. To mark the beginning of the competition.
A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Warm greetings to all. I fell short of words to express my emotions, my gratitude, to express and the opportunity I have received to be the head boy of the school. First of all, I would like to thank the entire school management who have shown so much faith and trust in me enough to choose me as the head boy for this prestigious school. My dear fellow students, I stand here today as a leader, not to just lead you, but to work in a collaboration with each and every one of you to achieve the best for our school and bring pride to our parents and teachers. It is my promise to you that I will work extremely hard with much enthusiasm and determination that we all achieve our core vision of academic excellence and gain strong moral values.
ഇവൻ കുരുവൻ കിഴക്കുതിച്ച്
ലെവൽ പാടും നീ പാടുപെടും
ഇവൻ കുരുവൻ കിഴക്കുതിച്ച് ഇന്ന് താടി പിടിക്കുന്നു കെട്ടി മരിച്ചു
start by giving glory to the Almighty for making this occasion a resounding success. First and foremost, I thank our honorable chief guest, Mr. Ashraf Ali, District Fire Officer, Care of Fire and Rescue Service, Korea, to spend this precious time from his busy schedule to grace this occasion. Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. I express my gratitude to our principal, Sister Mary Jadil, for her unwavering support and guidance. Thank you, sister. Now, I would like to thank our manager, Sister Jane Francis Dean, for her relentless support and presence. Thank you, Mother. My heartfelt thanks to our academy coordinator, Bishop Matthew, sir, for his valuable contribution. I express my heartfelt thanks to our conveners, Abla sir, Rani Miss, and Hina Miss, and other teachers who have worked to ensure that this occasion becomes a memorable success. But not least, I thank my fellow students for making this event a grand